guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a hairstyle video and it is not the usual regular video, but I wanted it to be helpful to you guys, and I thought during this season it's summertime and we tend to wear caps and all. So I thought of doing a video where I'm gonna tell you hairstyles which you can do with wearing a cap. So let's get started. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you until next time very soon. Till then, take care and bye.